we got a Nerf Fortnite xx-700. So the reason why I got this is just because of that hammer action, and it doesn't mean that I like Fortnite. Just got it because if you want to put this on, so this is not removable. Once this is on, it's on forever. And this is what it looks like without it. Pretty moderate prime, not that bad. I will keep the barrel off for now because I don't really like it. And we got instructions, and we got 6 Nerf bullets. So let's load her up and put that to the side, and we'll do the next gun. Just wait a second here. Come on, you can be more patient than that, viewers. Yeah, just the reason why I got it, I could have gotten 2, but I didn't. You know, you can just go, and then, I know, that wasn't a strong shot at all. Oh, you can do Russian roulette with this thing, which I don't condone with a real gun, but, you know, gun and shit. 'Cause scissors. Okay. Next will be a rival gun called the Finisher. So let's open her up. We got a bunch of balls. I love balls. Nice balls. Now let's take out this, if I can find out if I can, with my little brain I have. So, rounds, it comes with 7. So this is like the Chronos, which I don't have, because I've shot it before. It's like a Chronos, but with a mag. I didn't see that one. Moderate prime. Oh, that's a really comfy grip, I'd say. That looks pretty goofy. And then we got some balls here. Let's take out the balls. Oh, I love balls. Now, I'll say the features of both these guns. I just want to breeze through this because it's kind of boring when I watch. Because, you know, xx-700, I'm not sure, don't remember. You know, he's not that bad of a reviewer, but kind of long. Let's load these balls up. Oh yeah, I forgot there's like a magazine thing. Oh yeah. You can load them in this way, or like this. Through a hole. And then load her up. I forgot this was not Apollo, so obviously I didn't load that way, so. Oh yeah, it comes in as an angle. So need to. Oh. Like that. I'm so smart. Pretty sick. Okay, so first reviewing this, there is a little place where you can put the sling. right here. And fortunately, there is no iron sights. You could put like an airsoft scope on this if you want to. And that's pretty much it. Also, there's a safety. Up is ready to fire. Down is trigger lock, pretty much. And this side it doesn't have it. And also, after you prime, you can press this to clear any jams or any malfunctions. And on the revolver, let's call it the Fortnite revolver, there is no instruct barrel log because this is a Fortnite, and there's no tactical rail, and there's no sling attachments, spinny. And with this, there's no instruct barrel lug attachments because this is a rival gun. And yeah, you'll go to the firing demo. Fire test with the revolver.
Base, money, fancy clothes, ops and coppers I dispose. Talk slow, lower your tone. If you need
That was
a
rude.
loan. Gang killer, Al Capone. Shoot a pheasant through the bone. Tweed jacket on the go. Richest spinners, richest killers. Base, money, fancy clothes, ops and coppers I dispose. Talk slow, lower your tone.
Not that powerful.
Need an illegal loan. Gang killer,
Let's try to reload this now without making too long.
Richest spinners, richest killers. Base, money, fancy clothes, ops and coppers I dispose. Talk slow, lower your tone. If you need an illegal loan. Gang killer, Al Capone.
Now,
Shoot a pheasant through the bone. Tweed jacket on the go. Richest spinners, richest killers. Base, money, fancy clothes, ops and coppers I dispose. Talk slow, lower your tone. If you need an illegal loan. Gang killer, Al Capone. Shoot a pheasant through the bone. Tweed jacket on the go. Richest spinners, richest killers. Gang killer, Al Capone. Shoot a pheasant through the bone. Tweed jacket on the go.
Where did that go?
Richest killers. Base, money, fancy clothes, ops and coppers I dispose. Talk slow, lower your tone. If you need an illegal loan. Gang killer, Al Capone. Shoot a pheasant through the bone. Tweed jacket on the go. Richest spinners, richest killers.